Bon dia everyone. It's now 11 o'clock. We've got a bit of a sore head today as we went up, well, what's his name now? We've finally got his name correct now.
Jose.
Is it Joey? No, Jose Awige.
Jose Awige.
Jose Awige. We've been calling him Joige for a long time because we thought we had that right, but we met a couple who just moved here last year, English couple from Sheffield, and we had a few drinks last night, and then Christoph from Figueroa de Venus came in, the kebab man. He's got a kebab shop and fish and chips. What's it called?
Khalifa.
Khalifa, an excellent little restaurant then, if you like. He came in and bought us lots of whiskies and Baileys, and we had more drinks, and we came out of there at 1 o'clock in the morning. So we're a bit sore today, but anyway, we're back at it. Tony's doing a little bit of painting. I'm filling. I have just, don't know if you can pick this up, but I've just put 2 hooks on the wall in there, ready for the water boiler, which I'm going to attempt. I've only just placed that in there, just to see what it's looking like, but that's the tiles we bought, which are going to be going on there. And we probably have a couple of these left over, we might put one there, like that, just to see what it looks like. So yeah, we're having a good go with this. I've got to pick a load of wood up from the local mill after 1 o'clock. Right, okay. Now, it doesn't come supplied with anything you need. Let's just have a little look. Here we are. So what you need for installation is you. Okay, so God knows what that is, but it's that. So what I done, I went to LEROY MERLIN, showed them what I had, and they got me what I needed, basically. Which was, he got me that. Where is it to? And that fits over that, I think it's like a protector. So that, there's a little adapter here. So yeah, I'm going to put it on out here. It's upside down, it's on the polystyrene, we're not marking it. It's so much easier for me to work there other than being on my knees with my head up underneath looking at it. So we're going to put all this on here, nice and neat and tidy and tight, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we're back. Just worked this thing out. Basically, I think that's a pressure relief, and it will drip, and that just catches it, and you can fit a nose to that if you want, but I don't think a lot will come out of there. So we'll screw that on at a later date. First things first is these. Now, you give me this adapter, which fits onto that, which is a reducer, and then that will go into that. Okay. Now looking at the instructions, this goes on the cold feed, and that's the hot feed. So it's a cold feed it needs going on to. So first things first, PTF tape. Like I said, I haven't really done a lot of plumbing before. But what I'm learning out here with the connections, the black ones, for the black pipe, is use plenty of this. So I'm doing the same here. Okay, so that is out of one of them. Now on the instructions it did say that these got to be done to a certain newton, or not to go above a certain newton. So I'm guessing don't over tighten. So I would have thought that this could perhaps spin on the inner side. Okay, so that's, you know, I could go a lot further there if I wanted to, but we're going to try that for now. Okay. Let's just make sure that's sat in there properly. You see, I'm only just putting one finger on that, so I know I'm not going to over tighten, and that will do for now. Okay, so next piece will be that one. So PTF. Any plumbers out there as well? Anything I'm doing wrong here? Comment below. I'm learning, and everybody else would love to learn. This seems to be an easy job to fit one of these. Famous last words. Okay. So that one's on there. And that's starting to move the one below. Okay, so that's that. This one going in now. Right, okay. Oh, that just went inside there a bit, which I don't think that's a good idea to do. Okay. Ooh, 1 second. I think I forgot something. This one, which it came with. So I put that in the wrong place. This one, hang on a minute now. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put a bit more on there now. Okay, this one goes on there. Obviously this must be some sort of tap or something, on and off. We have going on there. So I don't know if we need to, but the guy in the shop didn't tell me not to use it. He just showed me how it went in. So I definitely using it. I'm just going to tighten the lower one. I'm not going to go no further than that, but I'd like to have that. Oh, that's the back, that's the front, so I want it the other way if anything. There we are. Okay, it's nothing to put your hand on the back end and do that, but that seems nice and tight. Okay, more PTF tape. All goes on there, that's correct. That's nice and tight. I have got PTF tape on there, but I've already screwed it in, so let's put a bit more. It's a lovely day here today. Probably 25 degrees or more. Okay. Yeah, so if anybody out there knows what that one's for, and this one, I'm guessing you can turn the water off to the tank, an isolation one, but I don't know why there's two. Or could I have got away with not using the one they brought? Right, that's tight, but I would like to have this coming across here. Let me just think, now that's on the wall that way. Yeah, I'd love for that to be there. So, let's see where it all turns. It's turning at the bottom there, not the nylon one, which is good. I'm not over tightening this really, that ain't bad. Okay, I'm happy. Right, that's all PTF'd up nice. There's just going to be one tap coming out of there, which is going to be one of these. So the black pipe, the plastic pipe I've been using. This is just an hand tight system. The other one out here is like a white, so I can't say it's similar to back home. To look at it, it is, but they haven't got the push fit fittings. You need a special tool, I think, which like heats it all up and then it goes together. So this is more of a DIY job, but it works perfectly. So that goes on there. Now, I've used these a couple of times on the toilet, and just by feeling that there, it does feel really loose. So I'm going to put a lot of PTF tape on there. And then the pipe goes in there, so I might as well do this now here. Now it's easier. That's the end of that. Right. That's on the tight. I don't know, but just put a little blob of silicone. Take it back out and put a bit of silicone around the bottom. Well, I'm just not convinced on that. I'm going to definitely do that. I just won't find some. Okay, a bit of clear silicone. It's definitely not going to hurt it. And I'm only doing this just because my little bit of experience with these on the toilet. Because that doesn't seem that long, and this could go a lot further. So this, as soon as this touches the top of the nylon, that's it. So I'm hoping that silicone will go down the threads and then squeeze out around there, giving a better which it did. Okay, I'm happy. I'll just leave it at that a minute. I gotta go and put them hooks in properly, and then we'll hang them in place. Nearly forgot, this one is going to go onto there as well. And then we've got an adapter then to go into that, to take it from female to male. And then that one is ready to fit into the mains water supply, and that will go into there. So I might as well put all these together now. Well, I need some more PTF tape. Oh, we'll try that Franchinasia then, or is it, whatever it's called? Lasagna this evening, then, is that? I can do the two of these in one go. Or can I? It's a bit of static or something. Stick in. Right. Okay. So that one goes into there. Is me the spanner. Will this one go big enough? Yeah. Okay, that is on there. I'm going to take that. And this one on there. Let's put a blob of silicone again. I could even put it in there. It'd be less messy. Okay, so I've just put it in there, rub it into the sides a bit, that'll do. Oh, this one goes on there. Right. Don't think that's going to go on it, yeah, well. Yeah, I can't get that no tighter, or I could work by hand. So, that's all done. Ready for the big lift on. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. Right, we have put the boiler now on the wall. That just hangs up in there. I drilled down through 2 holes, 1, 2. As I went down through, you'll go through the screed, the 50mm of screed, then you go the clay block, then some hollow, then the next clay block. So as you're drilling down, if you don't hit that hollow, you know that you've hit a concrete lintel. I was lucky on both of them. I thought just chuck a pilot all down through, feel it, and I was fine on both. So multiple holes, just knocked it down through. That's all done. So we got one pipe now. Which will go up into that one, and the other one will go there. Now I just brought that in, I thought, oh yes, it's the right fit in, it's an old one. I was going to put this one on there, so I could bring it up the wall, have it tight to the wall and then in, but it's the wrong fitting on there for the end up there, so I couldn't use it, so I put that one back on. So I can place that into there. I'm trying to bend it a little bit. But let's see if I can set this up without dipping this over. So I don't know what the light is like. Okay. Right, if you notice there's a lip on it, and the way it comes out is the way it's got to go back in. But I've just had down my hand, looked at something else and I'm not sure. So let's get another one and just check which is the right way. Okay, so I got it right. It is the flat end which goes in there like this. So got a bit of a bend. Let's try to just get this straight so you don't want no cross threading. Right, that's hand tight. That should be as simple as that. I'm going to do the same with that one. I said I'll probably get this one tighter in like that. See if I got any clips here to clip that to the wall. That's it. I won't bore you with that now. I'll go ahead and do them.